Hi, it's Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning lawyer. Yesterday my phone just blew up, so I figured I'd have to get on today. And the blow up was, social media, different news outlets. They all had this clickbait that said, Kirk Douglas died. He had a $61 million estate. Guess where his money went, and guess how much Michael is getting. So it's interesting. It's in my field of practice, so I decided to click and I opened it up. And it says that he had a $61 million estate. He was very much into charities and things along those lines. So he went ahead and he gave about 50 some odd million dollars to his charities, according to the clickbait articles. And then it says, well, he didn't give Michael anything. But then at the bottom it says, well, Michael has an estate worth $300 million, so 5 times worth more than Kirk's estate. So, and then, so the insinuation in reading it is that Kirk did something that was probably nefarious. And it brings up something that I speak to folks all the time about when it comes to estate planning, and that is this. You don't have to give your kids money. In this case, Kirk wanted to give money to charities and to maybe some folks who needed it. And what would a dollar that he gave to Michael, what would that do for Michael's life? How would that impact Michael's life? You see, people equate love with money. There was nothing wrong, in my view, with Kirk saying, look, Michael, you're set. You got a $300 million estate or whatever it was reported at in a tabloid. You don't need any more money. So if I go and give you my money, later on it's going to go by your wishes, not my wishes. This happens a lot of times when I'm meeting folks who have a number of children, and one might be somebody who's doing really, really well, and another one might not be doing well. And they struggle sometimes, and they say, well, I love all my children and I want to be equal, but my older boy has so much more money than my younger girl. And, she decided to teach, he decided to become an entrepreneur and a business owner, so I would like to give more percentage to my daughter. Is that okay? I said, you can do whatever you want. There's no rule, there's no law, there's no nothing. You can have your estate spread any way you want. More power to Kirk Douglas giving the money to charity if that's what he believed in, because there was nothing that money was going to do to add to Michael's life. So maybe you've seen these articles out there, maybe you clicked on it to see what was going on, but they clearly insinuated that there was something nefarious going on. And in my view, there was nothing nefarious. If you have any questions about an Indiana estate matter, you can always set up an appointment with me at indianaestatemeeting.com. Until the next time, I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.